The fourth quadrilateral we shall be looking at is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with 4 sides, and some of the properties include that opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, so this shows you that they are equal and parallel. While for this, we can use double arrows. So they are equal and said to be parallel. Opposite angles are equal. That is, this angle is equal to this, while this is said to be equal to this angle. What about the diagonals? We have it that the diagonals bisect each other. So this is the main diagonal or the leading diagonal, while this is also a diagonal. And the diagonal bisects the figure into a pair of congruent triangles. So this diagonal divides it into a pair of congruent triangles. Now, what do we mean by congruent triangles? Two triangles are said to be congruent when they have similar sides. For example, when you look at this triangle, this diagonal bisects this parallelogram into 2 parts. That is to say, since this side is equal and parallel to this side, and this side is equal and parallel to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle, we say they are congruent. They are congruent because they have side-side angle. We call it side-side angle, meaning 2 sides and an included angle are said to be equal. So we refer to such triangles as being congruent. And lastly, in a parallelogram, there is no line of symmetry. That is to say, there is no line that divides it into 2 equal parts, but rather it divides it into a pair of congruent triangles. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now look at another quadrilateral.